Hello, COMM 450 students. Welcome to a brand new semester. This is Sister Barbara Higgins, and I am so excited to get started. And I love the content for this course for conflict management and negotiation. So just to get started for the beginning of this semester, I wanted to give you a little introduction about myself. So I am from Bluffdale, Utah. That's less than 20 minutes from three temples, Jordan River, Ochre Mountain, and the Draper Temple. Bluffdale is smack dab in the middle between Salt Lake City and Provo. So it's right at the point of the mountain. So my family, I am the oldest of four children. I have nieces and nephews. I'm single, and so I'm really close to my family, and I love spending time with my nieces and nephews. We love to be a little goofy in our family, but I love and adore all of them. Some of my hobbies, I love traveling. You can see the picture down in the far left is from the Dome of the Rock in Israel. That's one of my favorite places that I have been to. But I also enjoy hiking and camping and running. I am not very good at it yet, but I'm working on it. And I enjoy shooting and I enjoy going to Disneyland. So some of the callings that I have had the opportunity to serve in. I have been able to be an ordinance worker in the Boston and Jordan River temples, and I have served as a Relief Society president, a Young Women's president, a gospel doctrine teacher, and currently I'm the first counselor in our Ward Relief Society presidency. My professional background, you're welcome to look at my LinkedIn profile. I graduated with 2 bachelor's degrees from the University of Utah, one in sociology and one in human development and family studies, and then got a certificate in criminology and corrections. I graduated from Arkansas State University with a master's degree in public administration, and I am currently the Assistant Human Resources Director for Sandy City. Prior to that, I worked for Sandy Police Department. I did social work for about 12 and a half years as the supervisor over the Family Crimes and Intervention Unit. I was hired to create that program, and my focus was on child advocacy besides being the supervisor over the unit. And we run a youth court program, a suicide prevention program, and a teen dating violence education program, as well as doing investigation and advocacy. And before that, I worked in Boston as a social worker. And before that, I taught elementary school. So I kind of have been in a lot of different areas, and I have loved all of the different opportunities that I have had. So important things for you to know. I do not accept late work. This is consistent with the rest of the communications department at BYU, Idaho. So, however, I do allow 1 mulligan per semester. So you can choose one assignment that you can turn in up to 1 week late. So with this 1 mulligan, I would say choose wisely which assignment you want to be able to use that mulligan on. Other than that, there is no late work accepted. So here is my contact information. I will be doing office hours on Tuesday nights from 8 to 9 p.m. Mountain Time. This is my phone number. It's a Google Voice number for students, so I always know that it's a student that's trying to contact me. So you're free to call me or to text me, and then my email address. And I will be checking emails in the morning and in the evening, Monday through Saturday. On Saturdays, it will just be in the morning. Okay, so in conclusion, I want to issue a challenge for this semester for you to recognize, record, and share the tender mercies that you see in your life. I feel that this is really important for us as we're trying to make it through life that can be difficult at times. It's important for us to be able to see the Lord's hand in our lives. And I love this quote from Elder Bednar. I testify that the tender mercies of the Lord are available to all of us, that the Redeemer of Israel is eager to bestow such gifts upon us. And I know that as we go through this semester and through this course together, we can help lift up, strengthen, and teach one another throughout this semester. So I am always here if you have any questions. Please let me know if there's anything I can do as we get started this semester. Thanks and good luck.